northeastern Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Berkeley County in the panhandle of West Virginia until 6:15 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Greenwood, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour.
Okay.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
Is LTF relaying stuff like this?
Source. Southeast at 10 miles per hour.
Finally.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage.
Stack.
Well, there you go. Thank you, Sterling.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for central Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, southeastern Hampshire County in eastern West Virginia until 10:30 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 0.5 and 1.2
are as follows.
Nope, not KHB.
1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Extermination of fiery serpents.
Urban areas. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard.
Oh,
Flooding
crap.
caused by thunderstorm.
What?
As well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Flash flooding includes Capon Bridge, Lakeview, Highview, Yellow Spring, Rock, Enon Springs, Timber Ridge, Gore, Delray, Whitaker, Highview.
Time up.
Flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. At 7:20 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the Warren.
Okay. Come here, you have 40. One more. I wanna do one more check.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Capon Bridge, Lakeview, Highview, Yellow Spring, Rock, Enon Springs, Timber Ridge, Gore, Delray, Whitaker, Highview Manor. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Country Q102. Alright, it's Wayne D. Father's Day.
Heck yeah. Thank you, Sterling.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Clark County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, northern Shenandoah County in northwestern Virginia, northwestern Warren County in northwestern Virginia, southern Hampshire County in eastern West Virginia, east central Hardy County in
Flash
eastern
flood
West
warning for southwestern Clark County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, northern Shenandoah County in northwestern Virginia.
Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Central Hardy County in eastern West Virginia until 11:30 p.m. At 8:23 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall.
7 inning.
Warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source. Radar. Impact. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams.
Use big spoon.
This one right here.
Streets and underpasses. Other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain has fallen. The National Alonzaville.
They're gold.
Vehicles.
From the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia.
Flooding include Front Royal, Woodstock, Stephen City, Tannery, Middletown, Monroetown, Toms Brook, Fisher's Hill, Gravel Springs, Clary, Dilbeck, Alonzaville, Fort Valley, Capon Springs, Wild Acres, Reliance, Buckton, Perry, Riverside. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Well, thank you very much, Sterling. I do appreciate that.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Orange County in central Virginia, south central Fauquier County in northern Virginia, southeastern Culpeper County in northern Virginia into Penn p.m. It's 9:23 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Orange.
Southeastern Culpeper County in northern Virginia until 10 p.m. At 9:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Culpeper, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source. They become projectiles. Locations impacted include Gold Dale, Lignum, Stevensburg, Brandy Station, Lake of the Woods, Richardsville, Burr Hill, Locust Grove, Goldvine.
You don't relay for SVRs, do ya? No.
The National Weather, Lake of the Woods, Richardsville, Burr Hill, Locust Grove, Goldvine.
Now for the National Weather Service Marine portion.
Alright, thank you, Sterling.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Orange County in central Virginia, north central Spotsylvania County in central Virginia, Culpeper County in northern Virginia, south central Fauquier County in northern Virginia, west central Stafford County in northern Virginia, east central Madison County.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Orange County in central Virginia, north central Spotsylvania County in central Virginia, Culpeper County in
1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Hazard, life-threatening flash
What
flooding.
was that for? Was that for any West Virginia
Thunderstorms
stuff?
producing flash flooding. Source,
No.
radar. Life-threatening flash flooding creeks and streams, urban areas.
Oh. Uh-oh.
And other passes.
Okay, they're not relaying the FFW.
Special experience flash flooding includes Culpeper, Madison, Redwood, Wilmington, Stevensburg, Rapid Ford, Randy,
Tour.
flash flood warning remains.
Okay, actually, 36 is going to relay that.
Securing vehicles. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Orange County in central Virginia, north central Spotsylvania County in central Virginia until 10:45 p.m. At 9:59 p.m.
Are you sure you're not relaying that Tour USQ? Nope.
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, for those in the direct path of a tornado touchdown, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Orange and north central Spotsylvania counties, including the following locations: Lake of the Woods, Chancellorsville, Cookstown, Parker, and Flat Run. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Now for the National Weather Service Marine Forecast. For the
Okay,
tidal
there you
signal
go.
on
Wow.
Key Bridge to
We got a Tour. Nice. But WUSQ, I have no idea why you did not relay the FFW. That was weird.
Ability for locally higher amounts around to 5 inches of rain within a few hours. Heavy rainfall in a short period of time combining with already saturated soils means that creeks and streams may rapidly rise out of their banks along with the potential for flash
Wave. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Stafford County in northern Virginia, northeastern Orange County in central Virginia, western King George County in central Virginia, the city of Fredericksburg in central Virginia, southeastern Culpeper County in northern Virginia, Spotsylvania County in central Virginia, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located.
Does EAW use the KHB feed at any point at all? Nope. I forgot that 42. I forgot they didn't go off
Some trees and large branches to fall.
for
This
Culpeper.
could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Fredericksburg, Massaponax, Spotsylvania, Falmouth, Passapenzie, Stones Corner, Locust Grove, Snell, Flat Run, Thornburg, White Oak, Dunavant, Lake of the Woods, Cookstown, Leland, Parker, Spring Valley, Alsouth, Goldale, and Chancellorsville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Now for the National Weather Service Marine
Well,
forecast.
there you go. That was that. Thank you, Sterling.
Until 1:45 a.m. At 10:32 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Warning for North Central Culpeper County in Northern Virginia, Southeastern Fauquier County in Northern Virginia, until 1:45 a.m. At 10:32 p.m.
Force radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage.
Do you relay for Fauquier? Nope.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued
Well, I partially got that warning, but at least I caught the warning, so I guess that counts.
Central Spotsylvania County in Central Virginia, the city of Fredericksburg in Central Virginia, Southeastern Fauquier County in Northern Virginia, Prince William County in Northern Virginia.
Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Northeastern Orange County in Central Virginia, Central Spotsylvania County in Central Virginia, the city of Fredericksburg in Central Virginia, Southeastern Fauquier County in Northern Virginia, Prince William County in Northern Virginia, Stafford County in Northern Virginia.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible
Is
in
USQ going off?
5, 7.5,
Nope.
10, 12.5, 8, 9. Yeah, we've got all the DC street closures that are going to last through tomorrow, including everything around the National Mall, plus the
Don't
George
know
Washington
if
Parkway
that
and
is.
Washington Boulevard on the Virginia side. We're brought to you by Joe Hindi. It's summertime and living is
Nope.
sneezy. You get
corner. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Flash flood warning.
Especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia.
Okay, let me just make sure that USQ actually is not relaying the FFW.
Fredericksburg, Southeastern Fauquier County in Northern Virginia, Prince William County in Northern Virginia, Stafford County in Northern Virginia until 2 o'clock a.m. At
Let's see what
10:48
this
p.m.,
is.
Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage areas and low-lying areas are areas of potential impact.
Wow. Thank you, affirmative. But that was only 2, by the way. Thank you, affirmative. Thank you, affirmative. I do appreciate you. Man, why didn't I think that WTLP went off? Or I should say WTOP, but that was WTLP because I can't get the actual WTOP from here. But thank you, affirmative. I appreciate you. Excuse me. There it is.
Issued at 11:41 p.m. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for Northern Caroline County until 2:45 a.m. At 11:41 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen.
Oh, get back here. Well, thank you very much, AKQ. That was nice.
At 12:03 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Fairfax County in northern Virginia, southeastern Loudoun County in northern Virginia until 3:15 a.m. At 12:03 a.m.
Rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 in 1 hour. Additional rainfall of 1 to 2. And I'll be back in just a couple of minutes with your complete forecast. Dulles International Airport, Potomac, Ashburn, Oakton, Sterling, Chantilly, Wolf Trap, Great Falls, Country.
Okay, I do not know why you're not relaying.
I'm just really proud of him. I've worked about 60 hours a week the last year. Living in Ellen, lives in upstate New York.
They should be relaying here soon.
Wolf Trap. The National Weather Service. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur.
This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Station.
Okay,
They carried signs that said no.
they should be relaying soon.
Chanting Trump must go now. And here
Statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Culpeper, Fauquier, Madison, Orange, Spotsylvania, and Stafford. flood warning in effect until 4 a.m. early this morning.
I figured this was gonna do it.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Culpeper, Fauquier, Madison, Orange, Spotsylvania, and Stafford. Flood warning in effect until 4 a.m. early this morning. Replaces flash flood warning. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include portions of central.
Flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring.
I do not recognize
Additional
that.
details at 12:56 a.m. Local law enforcement reported heavy rain in the warned area due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Between 2 and 4.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are
In the warned area due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Between 2 and 4.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Culpeper, Madison, Brightwood, Remington, Stevensburg, Raccoon Ford, Brandy Station, Winston, Lidnum, Birch Hill, Elkwood, Catalpa, Olympus, Mitchells, Cordova.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious of flash this morning for northeastern Orange.
Flash flood warning will expire at 1 a.m. early this morning for north.
I knew that was going to happen.
Central Spotsylvania.